In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom stamp in PDF. If you want to add a personalized approval mark, company style label, or any reusable graphic to your PDF, Adobe Acrobat makes that process pretty simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can create your custom stamp and use it again whenever you need it. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already open. Starting with the correct file on screen helps you preview the stamp in the same document where you plan to use it, which makes the process easier to follow. Next, go to the All Tools section. This is where Acrobat groups together many of its editing and markup features. If you're not used to the layout, take a moment to scan the panel so you can recognize where stamp-related tools are located for future use. From there, click Add a Stamp. This opens the stamp options and gives you access to both the built-in stamps and any custom ones you create yourself. It's the main entry point for placing stamp graphics into your PDF. Now select Custom Stamps. This is the area specifically designed for user-created stamps rather than the default options that come with Acrobat. If you plan to reuse the same graphic across multiple documents, this is the feature you'll want to use. After that, click Create. Once you do, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is where you'll tell Acrobat which file you want to turn into a stamp. It's a quick setup step, but it's the key part of the process. In the pop-up, click Browse. This will open your device's file picker so you can locate the image or file you want to use as your custom stamp. Make sure you choose the correct file since this is what Acrobat will store for future stamping. Then select the file from your device. Once selected, Acrobat will use that file as the basis for your new custom stamp. It's a good idea to use a clear, high-quality image so your stamp looks clean and professional when placed on the page. And that's it. Now, when you click on Custom Stamps again, you'll see the option to select your newly added custom stamp. From there, you can place it onto your PDF just like any other stamp in Acrobat. This is a great way to save time if you regularly add the same mark to documents. Once your custom stamp is added, it becomes much faster to keep your PDFs consistent and polished.